That might work. Oh boy. Look at how big Strowman is.
Oh my God, like a sledgehammer to the heart.
Well, I'm glad Anderson Cooper rejoined us up here at the commentary table. Great questions, Byron.
Hey, James has got hope, you know.
Apparently that hope is dissipating.
I don't think that hope's
What kind of, if you don't get this man.
human carnage by Braun
Oh
Strowman.
no, look out, here comes
Oh God, have to reinforce the ring.
I would rather take a nap on hot coals than have to deal with Braun Strowman.
Why don't you go help out Mr. Ellsworth, Byron?
I'm needed here.
And it,
Oh my gosh.
no, the reverse choke slam. So much for hope, James.
That didn't go too well.